Yo gang, what is up? It's your boy Laz, aka MotoBroo, and I wanted to give you guys a little update on my surgery. If you guys didn't know, in 2017 I was coming home from downtown LA and I was going through an intersection. A car pulled out in front. I tried to slam on the brakes. I flipped over the bike and landed into the window of the car, and it was a flipping Uber. So shout out to that Uber driver, he was probably freaking out. But yeah, I hit the seal of the window, which ruptured my spleen. So then I had to get emergency surgery because I was bleeding out internally. And then fast forward about 4 years later, I had to get another surgery because my intestines twisted up. And that was complications from the first surgery, because in the first surgery, they had to take all my intestines out to stitch up where my spleen was, because that's where I was bleeding out, something like that. I don't know the exact details. So they took out all my intestines and they put them back in. But then 4 years later, my intestines twisted up so nothing could go through it, and it was super painful, and it sort of happened randomly. I had some symptoms of constipation, but I didn't really think too much of it. Like, I went to the doctors and no one even said that, like, oh, it could be your intestines twisting up because of scar tissue. So the reason that was I guess from the first surgery, scar tissue attached to my intestines and somehow twisted it or pulled it together where it was sort of like a knot where nothing could go through, and that was super painful. I was in so much pain when that was happening. But fast forward now, it's a year later, and let me show you guys. So yeah, this is the first surgery. As you can see, it's flipping huge. Hopefully y'all can see it. It's flipping huge, and that was because it was emergency surgery, so they had like maybe 30-40 minutes or I would have bled out. So, you know, it is what it is. They did an ugly job, but, you know, I'm alive, blessed. And then let's see, you probably can't even see the second surgery because they did such a good job. They had more time. It wasn't as of a rush process, even though they did say, like, yo, during the surgery, if something goes wrong, you might have to poop in a bag for the rest of your life. But thank God. Shout out to the surgeon for doing a good job, and that didn't happen. Everything went good, and it's a year later now, and I've been having some symptoms of stomach pain, a little constipation, but overall, I can't complain. I'm blessed. It could have gone way worse. I could have had a lot more symptoms, but now being a year later, I just wanted to give you guys an update of how I'm doing. I am doing well. Of course, I do have some pressure and some weird pains every once in a while, but it could be a lot worse. But yeah, I wanted to give you this update just to tell you what is going on, how it's been over this last year. And for the most part, everything's been perfectly smooth. Like the first couple months after the second surgery, I just took it easy. As you guys know, I made a video about that surgery too. But now being a year later, blessed to be alive, and, you know, blessed to be able to ride these bikes still. As you guys know, I love these bikes. It's my freaking passion. I love hitting them wheelies and just shredding with homies, man. It's super fun. Another reason I figured I would just make this update video is it has been so rainy in Florida. As you guys know, it's summer season in Florida, which it pretty much rains every day. Like, it's hard not to get a day where it's raining, or it's sort of scattered rain. So like, you might drive somewhere and it's not raining where you are right now, but you go somewhere else and it's freaking downpouring, which sucks. But I'll have some extra clips of Miami and some lot stuff in the compound after this segment right here. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a little update. Get another look. As you can see, your boy's healthy right now. Can't complain, you know. God doing me good. And just blessed to be alive. Like, when you go through a scenario like that, like a sort of life or death scenario, it could be pretty haunting, and not like PTSD, but like it can change things, if that makes sense. To change your mindset and change sort of how you want to live life in the future. But yeah, if you guys have gone through anything traumatic, just stay positive. Like I always say, there's light at the end of the tunnel. You just gotta freaking believe and focus on that little sliver of light you see at the end of the tunnel. And keep your hope, keep your prayers, and hopefully everything goes your way. But yeah, let's get to the clips, because I have some clips, like I said, from Miami, the lot, the compound. some extra clips. So let's get in them. Your work or no? Can I give you some money? Venmo you or some Appreciate that, bro. You know, we're out here, gas station adventures. We got my boy with the YZ450. You know the vibe. Say what up to him. What up? He's camera shy. Your two-stroke good? You're good on gas? I appreciate that, bro. Y'all good? This thing ain't good, bro. Alright gang, as you can see, we're at McDonald's. We pulled up on all the bikes. What's good, bro? And yeah, we're about to freaking get a little McDouble. Hey, where did everyone else go? Like Joey and them.
I think Joey I don't know where he's at. I gotta learn the bike.
Alrighty gang, I hope you guys enjoyed this little update video. Hopefully soon it stops raining and we can start shredding, you know, some freaking Miami and different locations, because this weather has been terrible. I don't know where you guys live if the weather's been bad too, but over here in Florida it's just been too flippin' rainy and hot. It's been hot as hell. But remember, stay motivated, stay disciplined. Thank you guys for watching, all the support over the years. You guys literally changed my life, and I can't thank you guys enough. But yeah, MotoBroo out. Till next video. Peace.